When I would go to the dentist, I always had a lot of anxiety. I would think about it for days ahead of time and be very, very nervous. And the day of, I would always be very scared to go. I was always nervous about the straightness of my teeth. And obviously, something would be painful going to the dentist, so I was always apprehensive. The differences between Dentistry of Norcross and other practices is just in their approach. They treat you much more like a person versus just a patient and someone coming in the door. It's almost like a big family when you come in. Everyone is just great from the time you walk in to the time you're finished. You get to know most of the people are long tenured with the practice, so you get to know them. They call you before your appointment and check in on you and ensure you're okay before you come in and see if you have any questions. If you need help with your insurance, they take care of that. If you need help with alternative financing, they'll take care of that. It's just a great experience all the way around. But I get a lot more attention. I feel much more confident. It's people ask me how I maintain keeping my teeth as straight as they are for so long, and I tell them it was all through the OrthoFX treatment.
How often do people ask you to do that?
They ask me a lot. Yeah, they ask me a lot, and I'm happy to do it. Yeah. If you are nervous about going to a new dental practice or just nervous about going to the dentist, I would highly recommend coming to Dentistry of Norcross.